Okay, here's the first part of 7. We're going to determine if there's enough to see if A and B are parallel. So this is the transversal that cuts through those two parallel ones. And these look like they are consecutive interior. By the converse of the consecutive interior angles, those two have to add up to 180. So let's see if that's true. 143 plus 37 is equal, do they equal 180? 143 plus, that does look like it's 180. So that is correct. So by converse of consecutive interior angle, A is parallel to B. Next, we know that this is 90, that we know that this is 90. Do we know anything about the other line? No, we don't. So we said not enough info to tell that A is parallel to B. No info about line A. That is the issue here. Next, we have these angles, and ooh, look, that looks like this is the transversal that cuts through them. This angle has to be related to these angles here. Those are, if we do the converse of alternate exterior, those two have to be congruent. So 106, does that match 49 plus 54? Okay, so let's see, 49 plus 54, that is 103. So 106, and this is 103, this is not. So we can say this is not true, so A is not parallel to B, or line. AB is not parallel to line B, okay, because these two have to match, right? 49 plus 54 is not 106, right?